In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a landing page on Wix in just a few minutes. If you want to learn how you can build a landing page that's going to help you collect emails and increase revenue, then you should watch this video, because in this video, I'll show you how you can build the landing page, how you can link your email marketing software, and how you can set it up within 5 minutes only. In order to get started with the landing page, you want to sign up on Wix. So Wix is a website builder, and this is going to help us create a simple landing page in just a few minutes. So you want to sign up or sign in and then click on create new site right there. Now this will send you over to this page where you need to choose what kind of website you want to create. All you need to do is click on other right here. Next up, you can choose whether you want to let the Wix ADI create a website for you or create a website with the website editor. Now you want to click on this one, so click on choose a template. This will then send you over to the Wix templates that you can start using for your website. If you scroll down, you can see all of them, but we're interested in setting up a landing page. So I'm going to click on search all templates and I'm going to search for landing page. And then I'm going to click on enter, and they're going to show me all the available landing page templates on this website. They have multiple pages available, so I recommend browsing through all of them and finding a template that you like. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go with this one right here, which is a lead gen landing page. Now, if you want to start editing a landing page, you want to click on edit. And if you want to just check it out, you want to click on view. So right now I'm going to click on edit. And here we are inside the Wix website editor. So this is where we can actually customize our landing page and set it up. So first of all, you can start off by changing the background. So you can click on the background and then you can click on change strip background. Now once you click on that, you can choose a color right here. You can also choose an image, so click on image right there. You can then, if we just wait for that, upload media from your computer. So if you want to upload a file that's already on your PC, you want to click right there. You can also upload media from Wix, from Shutterstock, or Unsplash as well. So browse through these and find a background that you like. So I've chosen this background right here. Next up, we can start customizing the text. So right here, you already see a text. I'm just gonna get rid of that. You can do that by clicking on it and then hitting backspace. Next up, if you want to add new text, you wanna click right here on add. And then right there, you'll find text, and then you'll find, let's see, titles, paragraphs, and theme text, okay? So I'm gonna click on, let's see, titles. And then right there, I'm gonna go with the huge title one. So this totally depends on what you wanna do and how you want to set this up. I'm just going to create an example. So next up, click on edit text right there, and you can then customize the text, change the theme, the fonts, the font size, and you can also add effects and heading tags as well. Okay, so right now I've got this text right here. If you want to add more text, once again, click on add right there and then add text right here. Now I'm going to leave it like this, and I want to get into how you can link your email marketing software. Now right there, you will already find this email opt-in. All you need to do is click on this. I'm just going to drag this over here so that people can opt in right away. And I'm going to show you how you can customize this. So basically, what you want to do, you want to click right here on this join now button or on the email submit button. And next up, click on settings right there. Next up, you need to click on go to site page or lightbox. Click on choose link. And then next up, click Lightbox and then click on Create Now. So Lightbox is what we need so that people can opt in. Next up, choose Subscribe right here so that they can subscribe to your mail list. Next up, you can choose the template that you want to use. Okay, so they have a couple of them available here. Quite a lot actually. Oh, my bad. Okay, so I went past it. So click on Subscribe and choose the one you like. I'll just go with this one right here. And here you go. So you now have this Join Our Mailing List template, which once again, you can always customize. Now right there, people can then put in their email, click on submit, and they will then join your email list. And for that, you want to click on manage lightboxes. Right there, you'll see the one that you're currently using. You can click on settings for that specific lightbox, and right there you can then get into the settings. So which page is it on? It's on the home page. You can use the delay, okay, so play around with that if you want to. I'll just keep it at 2. If you then scroll down, you'll find the link to your lightbox right there. You can set triggers. You can basically customize all of this, which is awesome. Okay, once you're done doing this, all you need to do is click on exit lightbox mode right there. And there you go. Now what you've done, you've just created it, but you're not using it yet. Next up, you want to click on add right here. And then you want to click on more. And then choose HTML iframe. Next up, you want to make sure that this actually fits in your email list or like email submit section, and then click on enter code. Now next up, what you need to do is paste in the HTTPS from your email marketing software, okay? So enter that right here. So enter your email list HTTPS code so that you will actually link it to your own email list so that it actually works as well. Once you've done that, all you want to do is click on publish or preview, and there we go. So right now, people can actually opt in right here. They can enter their first name, their email address. If they then click on join now, they will actually go into my email list. And that's exactly how we can build a landing page on Wix. So once again, you simply want to make sure to use the Wix website builder. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of landing page you're trying to build, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.